Good morning, my green-loving friends. The plant next to me would probably be recognized by many easily due to its large flower. Yes, you are correct. It is Dahlia. Dahlia is a popular flower native to Mexico and Central America, but now cultivated in gardens throughout the world. It is extremely popular due to its large flower which stands out in the garden. Dahlias usually bloom in late winter to spring or sometimes even early summer in North India. Be careful to provide support to the stem if there are several blooms on a single plant, as it might be heavy, just like the large sunflowers. Dahlias are easy to grow plants. They can be planted in almost any kind of soil. Dahlias grow well in moist and rich soil with proper drainage. Morning sunlight is the best for dahlias. Therefore, choose a site which receives full sun. The more sunlight they receive, the more they bloom. As said earlier, dahlias may require support during strong winds as they are large and heavy flowers. They are usually cultivated using tubers. Some cultivars are so large they can reach beyond dinner plate size at 35 cm across. Slugs, mites and snails are some of the pests that pose a garden trouble to dahlias. Overall, you don't have to worry much about the protection of your dahlias. Did you know that dahlia flowers come in almost every color but blue? I read somewhere that breeders are still trying to create a dahlia with beautiful blue blooms. The flower heads on dahlias can grow to be 1 foot in diameter. The dahlia is named after the 18th century Swedish botanist Anders Dahl. The dahlia is the official flower of the American cities Seattle and San Francisco. The dahlia was declared the national flower of Mexico in 1963. I am sure that this large and pretty flower will be a delight to have in your garden. Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at men